Okay, mechanics tip for, I'd say I've had this on three of these. One was a Suburban, other two. This is a Yukon Denali 08, and there was an '07. Communication shut down, so up above the spare tire where this little above it, which it doesn't want to come down all the way to show you. I've got it taped off right now. You can just unplug it up in here. I've got it taped, but I just got my part in, so I pulled it back in. If you get a no start, maybe battery went dead, maybe your airbags on the rear suspension just kept pumping until they blew out. This one come in for a no start, no communication. The computer could not do anything when it come to talking to the vehicle. I unplugged that module and it fired right up, but it was shorted out. Let me grab it here. So it's supposed to have a brace on it. It's just banging around up in there. Got water and moisture being above the spare tire. And it corroded out. The new one, of course, from the dealer is expensive, but comes with a new bracket and everything. You gotta program it. So if you're having a communication error with any of these older ones like that, in that 07, 08, I haven't run into an 09 that way, but I imagine it's just like the Ford truck fuel driver modules back there that get corroded up and quit running. So that's a tech tip for you.